Of a teacher, a short documentary by class 8th. Meet Mr. Singh and Ms. Srivastav. They both are teaching in Delhi Public School, Jankipuram, and this is what they do every day. And Mr. Singh has just come back home from the market with the groceries. Ms. Srivastav is completing her household work.
It's 8 p.m. already. I will have to prepare for my lecture. Oh no, I'm getting late for my work.
The next day, both of them get ready and they leave for school.
Don't talk so much. Is this a class or fish market? Let me pay attention to the students who are online.
They are teaching offline and online students simultaneously.
Yes. Today I taught you about line and linear graphs in chapter 15. So I hope you all must have revised the topic. But now, I have some questions to ask you all. But before that, I want you all to open your cameras and also open your mics. So yes, my first question is to Akansha. What are the coordinates of origin?
Sir, the answer is 0, 0.
Yes, great. It is the right answer. Now, I have one question for Rohan. What is abscissa? So, for my second question, I would call upon Rohan. Yes, Rohan. What is abscissa? Am I audible? Please respond. Rohan, open up your camera or else I will remove you. Why class? Why only Akansha is answering? Is no one else with me? What is the problem?
Children, keep silent. Let me first focus on online classes. Till then, do the work that I have given you. Do all the questions, the 3 questions I have given you. Then let me give the questions to online students also. यहाँ कोई आंसर देगा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में या फिर मैं केवल ऑफलाइन बच्चों को पढ़ाऊं? Alok, what are you doing? Open your camera.
They get very exhausted, tired by the end of the day. The day ends.
The school. I'm tired of these students. They irritate me so much. Don't even bother.
Oh God, what a hectic day it was. Now I have to prepare for tomorrow also.
They got a surprise Teachers' Day party by their students and also got gifts.
Thanks, students. Thanks a lot. These gifts are really lovely. It means a lot to me. You really made my day. Oh, Rohit is calling. Yeah, Rohit, what happened? Okay, you have some doubts. Oh, others also have doubts. Okay. I'm quickly joining the booth. Okay. Yes, Rohit. What is the doubt?
There is no doubt, sir. Happy Teachers' Day. We have planned a special surprise for you.
Oh wow, Rohit, that is great. You really made my day. I enjoyed this day the most. Both offline and online students planned great surprises for me.
Happy Teachers' Day, teachers. We have a special virtual surprise for you all.
Thank you, students. Thank you so much. I cannot believe this, that you planned this much for me. I'm very, very, very happy today. I feel so blessed that I got children like you.
They reach home and get many wishes. It was a special day for them. Dear teachers, wishing you joy and happiness. You all are an amazing teacher, and you only deserve the best. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, the candle to our life. We are deeply thankful that you are our teacher. You are the pillar of our success, and in the classroom, you are the best. Wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day.
A teacher affects the eternity and brings out the best in a student.
Teachers' Day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan, one of the greatest philosophers, teachers, statesmen, and guides. Dr. Radhakrishnan also served as the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. History says that students of Dr. Radhakrishnan wanted to celebrate his birthday, so Dr. Radhakrishnan announced this day as Teachers' Day to appreciate the hard work each and every teacher does to make the students' future bright.
So now educators get ready for the most exciting part of this event, games. Now tell me, what can be more exciting than games? Nothing. In this round one, you all will be given few of the lines of the very well-known Hindi song translated into English, and you all have to get it. The answer can be given by any one of the educators. You all will get approximately 6 chances to guess the answer.